This is CBS 12 News at 5.
What you're seeing now is the way the laser technology is able to determine which tissue is perfused.
This is new technology helping breast cancer patients get their lives back, and it was developed right here in our area. A lot of breast cancer patients have complications during reconstructive surgery.
But the plastic surgeons at the Cleveland Clinic here in West Palm Beach have developed a new technique which helps avoid those complications. And in tonight's Making Strides Against Breast Cancer, one local teacher says it changed her life.
Hi, how are you? Nice to see you.
Good to see you.
Carrie Bingham says she'll never forget what Dr. Martin Newman did for her.
He knew exactly, and here I am today, and I call him my hero.
The Palm Beach County Middle School math teacher was diagnosed with early stage cancer about 3 years ago and decided on a bilateral mastectomy. But she experienced one of the most common complications when she got breast reconstructive surgery, flap necrosis.
Flap necrosis is an undesirable outcome that can follow breast reconstruction. It happens when the tissue is perfused poorly.
Bingham's original doctor recommended she then undergo another reconstructive surgery using her latissimus flap.
Point I had to make a decision if I wanted to do that or did I want breasts, like what was more important to me. Being an athlete and a swimmer, you need your latissimus flap muscle.
That's when Bingham came here to the Cleveland Clinic, and Dr. Newman gave her another option.
What you're seeing now is the way the laser technology is able to determine which tissue is perfused well.
He and his partners developed a new technique using laser-assisted imaging technology. They can see which tissue is getting adequate blood flow and which tissue is likely to die.
It proved to us that her tissue was adequate to undergo reconstruction.
He at that time recommended that we do, again, try to put in the expanders, and it worked.
Dr. Newman says had Bingham had this technology the first time around, her risk of complications would have been a lot lower. Bingham is just happy she got a second opinion the second time.
I'm whole again, and I'm back to working out and, being normal again.
Now, Dr. Newman believes this isn't just a breakthrough for breast cancer patients, but anyone undergoing surgery. To learn more about the Cleveland Clinic and this technique, just head to our website, cbs12.com/links. Meanwhile, there are 4 Making Strides Against Breast Cancer walks taking place in our area. They are raising money for breast cancer awareness. 2 are on October 15th at the Port St. Lucie Civic Center and Flagler Park in Martin County. And then 2 the following week on October 22nd at Meisner Park in Boca Raton, which I will be emceeing, and the one at the Meyer Amphitheater in West Palm Beach, where Liz Quirantes will be your host. Meanwhile, a local radio show host